Yo YouTube, welcome back to the channel. If you found this video, you're likely searching for a method on how to get free Xbox Game Pass. I've managed to find a super easy way to get Xbox Game Pass for free in 2025. This is going to get you a 12-month Game Pass subscription, saving you a bunch of money, guys. And yeah, this is a Game Pass code that's going to get you basically a free pass for 12 months. So you just got to make sure you follow the instructions that I'm going to show you in this video, guys. It'll take you a few minutes, but it is worth it. Let's just have a quick check how much it actually costs. I think it's pretty expensive, yeah. So a year costs probably about $100 US. Oh no, around $50 US. So this is going to save you a lot of money. So go to this website on your mobile phone, www.coldcoupons.com. So just type it like that, guys. Cold coupons. And this website, let me put it on light mode to blind you all, has loads of different pages. So you're going to want to navigate to the Xbox. I'm just going to type in Xbox Game Pass, and you should see as you start typing it this page where it's basically the Xbox symbol, logo. You can see this is highly rated and it's been used a ton. You can get a 12-month free Xbox Game Pass membership. So this is what we're focusing on in this video, guys. This is a highly rated code and it's being used today. Click on Get Code. This confirms your choice, 12 months free Xbox Game Pass membership. Click on Show Full Code. And this is basically a code that you can redeem in the Microsoft Store or on your Xbox account. And it's going to supply you with a 12-month Game Pass membership for free. You can see, guys, you need to unlock your code. Like I said, these codes are pretty desirable considering the price of Xbox Game Pass, and they are limited codes, guys. So this prevents people from stealing all of the codes. It does limit one code per person. So essentially, guys, you've got to click on Get Full Code, and you're going to see this code unlocker. Follow the instructions on this page, guys. Basically, you have to complete a couple of free tasks. Make sure you do read the description, tells you how to complete the 2 tasks that you choose. And once you do that, your code will be unlocked. I don't want this video to be too long and I've already got my code, so I won't do it. But yeah, basically your code will be unlocked and you can redeem it on your Xbox and it's going to supply you with your free Game Pass. Pretty easy, guys. Just go to Cold Coupons and just navigate your way to this Xbox page by just searching Xbox Game Pass in the search bar. And that is how to get free Xbox Game Pass in 2025. Enjoy, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next tutorial. Peace out.